This is room 303 of the Rose Hotel in Dumfries, Virginia. This room is a suite and it was complimentary. You step in, you look to the right sides here, there's a small bar, wet bar, refrigerator, microwave, storage space in the kitchen. See if there's anything in there. No. Actual coffee maker, a lot of drawers, and seems to be just more storage space for whatever. If you were having an event and you wanted to invite people over, this is a very nice sized room to do that. We come over here to the left, we have a thermostat control. Next to it's another type of control. We have not figured out what this is yet, but when we push it, a lot of red lights start flashing, so we're leaving that alone until we figure out what it's for. And this is like a small living room here. Sitting area, nice couch, these nice big seats here. And the view here, it's nighttime, but we'll take a look anyway. Let's see. Okay, can't really see anything. The view here is basically of Interstate 95. Oh, and apparently these drapes are automatic. Surprise, surprise. Okay, that might be one of the buttons on that red flashing thing. Is what that's for. All right. Okay, so we have more counter space. Nice big television here. And more apparent storage space for miscellaneous. And that is the view as you walk in. Ah, there's another television there also. So give another view that way. Now we're going to swing over to the bedroom of this suite. It has a door, big sliding door here. And inside here, you have separate thermostat controls and another one of the flashy light things. Let's see. See, that's what happens. Just starts flashing like crazy. We'll figure that out later. Hopefully I didn't call the police or something stupid. And nice king size bed. 2 lamps, clock, telephone, USB charging ports, and another television. It makes a total of 3 televisions in here. And I would have to say these things are probably in the 60 to 70 inch range. There's a sitting chair here. One of the unique things back here is there's a desk hiding back here, behind the bed. It's a nice little feature. Not sure what I would use it for, not being on a business trip, that is. But still very nice. And we swing over to the bathroom, which also has a nice big sliding door. And as you step in, there's this nice bathtub here. Yeah, it doesn't appear to be a jetted or heated tub, but still a very nice touch. Unusual controls. There we go. And it appears to be a wand also. Pretty nice. Restroom. Appears to be where the towels are stored as well. And over back to the right here, we have dual sinks and dual mirrors that will come in handy for the guys who are married or have some special person with them, so the lady folk aren't hogging the mirrors and the sinks. And of course, with accompanying robes, extra pillows, and a safe, and ironing board and iron, and slippers. Pretty cool. Of course, there's a shower, frosted glass, spacious, looks like a rainfall shower head, And your standard soap, conditioner, and shower gel. And a bar of soap. Spacious. And that's it, folks. That is the room. Room 303, the Rose Hotel in Dumfries, Virginia. Adjacent to the Rose Casino. Have any questions? Leave it in the comments. Thank you, and subscribe.